Hi there. Do you want to learn how to trade Forex profitably? So this Forex trading course is suitable for complete beginners and intermediate traders who want to take their trading to the next level. So why is this course different? This course is different based on the fact that the concepts in this course work and they repeat every week, and I'll show you exactly how in a live example. So what are you going to learn in this course? So in this course, actually what you're going to learn is you're going to learn what Forex trading is all about. We'll cover some Forex basics to get you started, such as brokers, leverage, pips. You'll also learn how to use TradingView for your analysis and charting. And secondly, you'll learn high probability price action trading. So this is a technical analysis approach that is very unique, and it focuses on high probability scenarios in the market that repeats every week. So we have very specific time of day and days of the week that you need to be trading. We have very clear reference points in the market that we can use to position ourselves for those high probability scenarios. And then we'll also know how we can know exactly where the market is going every week by doing daily and weekly analysis. So thirdly, we'll look at how Forex trading, or rather a Forex trading strategy example that works every time. So next we'll look at a trading plan example, and I'll show you exactly how you can develop your own. So in your trading plan, you need to include your entry strategy, your exits, your stop loss management, your targeting, risk management protocols, and also finally we'll go through some trading psychology that you need to work on. And this way you need to actually have a trading journal to record all your emotions and setups, your entire trading journey going forward. This is actually a must-have for professional trader. So next we'll look at some live examples so that I can show you exactly how these concepts work. What are you waiting for? Enroll now to become a successful Forex trader today.